JSR Fleet Performance. Taking leadership to a productive level of ownership. This is part 1 of JSR's Fleet Performance Productive Mindset mini-series. The program has been developed to provide knowledge in the surface mining setting focused on leaders new to the productive aspects of surface mining. From what is the basics of supervision and production to machine application knowledge. Although everything a new leader needs to know cannot be passed on, we can provide information for making better decisions in the field. The one thing nobody can provide is the years of experience that it takes to master the decision making. A common issue in various industries is where employees are promoted into supervisory or managerial roles without adequate training and preparation. This lack of preparation can lead to mistakes, inefficiencies, and even safety hazards. Organizations must recognize the importance of providing proper training and education to individuals taking on leadership roles. First event. An employee is identified as being a potential supervisor. This could include an operator, engineer, or a cross-training shop supervisor. These people may be great at their current role and know a bit about managing production, but are limited to machine application. Second event. The employee gets going in their new role, and a few months down the road makes a mistake regarding how a work area was set up, or the conditions created problems. In many cases, this employee was reprimanded, scolded, or frowned upon regarding their poor decisions or lack thereof. The employee accepts they did wrong and continues on, sometimes more uncertain and gun-shy than before. A few of these situations continue, and the person makes it, or they don't. Third event. A permanent salary supervisor position becomes available, and the individual is asked if they would like to accept a salary position. The answer is most always, "Oh, you bet. A boss, a salary, prestige, sign me up." As the cycle continues, they still lack knowledge and have the same limited scope of expectation, and we as an industry continue to reprimand, browbeat, and expect more than what is possible. This cycle is ongoing in the industry. Millions of dollars in safe, easy tons are lost monthly and yearly over not attempting to educate our frontline leaders on the basics of machine application, production ecosystem, and how to be a foreman, supervisor, or manager. This is not an isolated problem to operations. The cycle is much the same in training departments. Folks in those positions and the title that comes with it do not come with the knowledge required. In many cases, people are moved to training departments for the wrong reasons. All the scenarios are not only expensive losses, but they are also dangerous. There must be the discussion of morals and ethics. If the task is unsafe, immoral, or against the law, don't do it. Do the right things for the right reasons. Exercise and promote the stop-work authority that everyone has when things are unsafe. Remember always, if the task was not documented, it never happened. No amount of training takes the place of experience. Post and explain standards and expectations and always maintain flexibility to adjust. Keep it simple, always focus on what matters the most, and don't compromise on the order in which you make decisions. Health of people. Health of equipment. Health of project. Maintaining this order, people now know how to prioritize decisions. What should a manager's expectations look like? A good manager must have the ability to, and the desire to provide employees with the basic skills to act safe, yet productive. Provide opportunities for profitability of employer and the employees. Create stability through an informed and motivated workforce. Create opportunities for growth for all employees and yourself. What does a good supervisor need to do daily? Be safety conscious, have an ability to organize, delegate, and lead. Always striving to lead by example. Always ensuring all safety and quality standards are complied with. Good communication skills. Identify training needs. Always be working on conflict resolution skills, as this is also a subject acquired through experience. Thank you for joining the introduction installment of JSR's Productive Mindset mini-series. Join us in the second installment. The Health Philosophy of a Productive Mindset.